precision engineering meets modern home design. A new generation of smart backup power, redesigned for modern living. Introducing FridgeGuard. Designed to power your fridge during outages, FridgeGuard stays close and ready. With a matte silver gray finish, it blends seamlessly into your home space. Quiet and sleek. Simply plug in once and stay protected for the long run. When the power goes out, FridgeGuard instantly switches to backup power, keeping your food fresh and medications safely cooled. Or enable Delay Start to pause the restart. Reduce stress on the fridge's compressor and extend the battery's runtime. For everyday use, Smart Bypass Mode sends grid power directly to your fridge without cycling the battery, reducing wear over time. Built-in surge protection helps safeguard your fridge compressor from voltage spikes, storms, and grid instability. Need more runtime? Add an expansion battery and double the capacity. Smart App Control gives you real-time alerts and notifications. Use Time of Use mode to draw power from FridgeGuard during peak hours. Then switch back to grid power during off-peak hours to reduce electricity costs. Built with durable lithium iron phosphate battery technology, FridgeGuard delivers up to 16 years of reliable use. Triple UL certified and built with flame retardant protection. It's backed by a 5-year warranty. That's power you can trust. But FridgeGuard doesn't stop at the kitchen. It also powers workstations, aquariums, and essential medical devices. Set it where you need it, plug it in, and power what matters. Most of the time, it simply stays quiet in the background until the moment you need it most.